Hi there. Well, you can see, and I can tell you certainly smell the smoke from the wildfires burning in the region. More than 175 wildfires burning in South Carolina, according to the governor, over the weekend. Officials urging people as they head out their door to be careful on the roadway because of how much the wildfire smoke is impacting visibility. We're here in Horry County, South Carolina, near the very popular Myrtle Beach area, where the largest wildfire in the state continues to burn. Firefighters, fortunately, making good headway on containing it. It's torched some 1,600 acres, according to officials, but now it's 30% contained. North of here in North Carolina, authorities battling a number of blazes there as well. In Polk County, North Carolina, outside of Asheville, a number of people had to be evacuated. A fire there is now 30% also contained there as well. Firefighters in the region will see some relief from those high-powered wind gusts we saw and witnessed over the weekend, but there's still a burn ban in place for the entire state of South Carolina. This area is short 4 inches of its typical rainfall. Back to you.